And then we moved him around and we got Ian on his back. Ian, show Mama your happy face. Show Mama your happy face. Show Mama, look, we got your happy face here. Ooh. Ooh, show Mommy your happy face. And you. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, it's not nice to be on your tummy, huh? We gotta practice. She's eating her hands, look. Hi, sweetheart, you eating your hands? Oh, you don't like getting on your back? Here's Mr. Fussy Butt. He's eating Mr. Fussy Butt now. Hi. This is no fun. This is no fun, Mommy. This is just not a fun exercise at all. Hi, guys. Oh, hi, guys. Hey, look at Yeah. 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 Oh, your poor little tongue sticking out. Yeah.